welcome back, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna show you the real deal. Let's see what we got here. This one's about 14 by 18 and about 65 inches long. Not bad. This one here, about 22, 21, 22, 22, 22. It's got a little rod in this one here a little bit. We'll find out. 20, 19. Looks like about a 7. I split a piece, probably about 7 by 7. There's a little odd piece here, probably about 8. This one looks like about 20. And these here are, all these ones here are 9 foot and 2 inches. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one right here in the middle is about 10 foot. And that on the end over here, right there, that's a huckleberry. It'll be the first time we've ever got a huckleberry to mill up. Let me jump over here to this tree. If y'all can see it, it's about 20 by 23. And this 9 foot or 10 foot long. Let's see here. This is 10 foot 9. That piece of huckleberry is 10 foot 9. All right. That's the first load. This is the second load, which is some huckleberry and a couple little pieces of cedar. Let me get the camera adjusted there. This sucker, this is the base, and this is the double. This thing is 44 inches wide, that away, and 33, 34, about 34 that away. Maybe a little bit more if I turn it there a little bit. Maybe like 37 out up on the top here, and it's even higher up here. I'll show you what it looks like. These are huckleberries on this side. This one is 23 and a half, 21, 23, 21, about the same. This one's got a little rod in it right here. The rest of it looks really great. And it's about 20, about 20 by 20. All right, I'll show you this big sucker here, what it really looks like. We'll end up cutting this rod off the bottom. It's only rotting so far up. And there were 2 small pieces there, short ones. A couple little itty bitty logs there. And there's one back hiding back there in the back there, if you can see it. This is what this thing looks like on the end. Get the camera here. You can see this is nice here, which this is 23, 24. Look at that, a heart. Man, that's gonna make a beautiful, I might make a cookie out of 2 cookies out of that heart. Huh, let me know what you think. This chunk here broke in half. I don't know what we'll get out of it. But you see this one whole log right here, runs all the way down through here. This is the second part, the crotch. Comes off. So this thing is going to be 41 inches wide. So we might be able to, we got to do down to 34 wide, so we don't take much off of this. about right there. Which that's about in there somewhere, so that ain't gonna be much off of that. So it's this section here from right here down is separated from this piece, so we might cut this piece off. See what 8 foot is or so. That's 6 foot to here, 7 foot to here. So we might cut it down to 6 foot, 7 foot pieces. Make a crotch log out of it. I just figured this is gonna be nice. We won't have to do some little whacking on the side. All right, I just show y'all what we got picked up. I know the short video before this was a little teaser, but I have to try to get y'all once in a while. All right, we appreciate y'all watching the videos, and when we start milling this stuff up, we're surely to get a video of it. I don't know if y'all ever seen huckleberry. I've never seen it. I've never milled it. I mean, I know what it is. I've seen it in the woods, but if y'all done any huckleberry, you know anything about it, what it's good for, I'm gonna look it up. There's some black to it there. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that or it's all the white on that end. This one's got black in it. It's a nice figure in the middle of it. Smooth like bark. Looks like peat moth growing all over it. That's what it looks like. Yep, it is. But we'll find out what we're gonna do with it. Like I said, we and appreciate y'all watching the videos. And we'll get right back with you when we start, like I said, when we start milling this stuff up. We'll get back with you and y'all can watch us mill this up. And if you have any ideas on the milling of that great big one, let me know. And if you have anything on the huckleberry, surely let me know. And we thank and appreciate y'all watching the videos, and appreciate all of our subscribers, appreciate our new subscribers, and try to get some more subscribers on there. We're trying to get some more videos, and we thank you, appreciate it. Y'all have a great day.